Can you see my screen now?
Okay.
So how to create a blog post is this.
Yes, I can.
You can see my screen, right? So you come to this place and then you type wp-admin. Can you see? wp-admin, and then you log in. You just simulate the page.
W what?
You type your normal URL, then you type wp-admin. So
wp-admin.
Yes.
On
Then,
my website page,
yes,
this
yes.
an address.
Yes.
Link.
You just put /wp-admin. Now, when you come to it will bring you to this page. I believe you can see my screen. You enter your login details and then you click on login.
Yeah, I can see the next page. Yes.
Okay, so it will bring you to where we call the dashboard.
But I don't know the login details. Yeah.
I send them to you now. Check them. They are there. So it will bring you to this column, this section called. This is what we call your back office.
Okay.
Now, your back office, scroll, you see posts. Can you see posts?
Okay.
You see posts. You come here, you scroll here, come to add new. Add new. That is. Once you click on add new, it will bring you to add posts, to where you can create your new posts. It's opening. I see my network. Okay, now this is it. So you can see this is the title. You simply type your title, how to create a new blog post in 2020. So I think what will happen is, okay, so this is where you do all your work. This is where you do all your work. So by the time you write, like if you follow the class I showed you, I know you are here because you want to learn how to create a blog post. Please stick around and as I talk you through the you create blog posts to your WordPress blog. Simple. Now, this is what we call the hook. Like you are kind of reaffirming to them that, okay, you're welcome here, you're in the right place, I'm going to teach you this. You understand? Now, from the training yesterday, I said you visit this site called Canva. You visit this site called Canva.
What?
Canva. Canva, this is the spelling, Canva. And then you come to create a design.
CANVAN.
Yes. Come to this place and type blog. Just type blog.
How do I get to the Canva?
I said go to a new I'm saying, can't you see my screen?
I can see your screen, but where did you go to the Canva? Is it from the same page?
It's a new home. You open a new.
The WP.
Yes.
Okay. I open a new. Okay.
Okay, good. So you go to canva.com, and then you type in. So you come to the search. You see a search bar. But if you are new to Canva, they'll ask you to log in. Just click on login with my Facebook account. Do you understand?
Okay.
It will just tell you Facebook. Do you want to permit this? You put yes. So
okay. All right.
So you come to this search place and you type blog. They will bring you two categories. You see blog banner and blog graphics. What you need is blog graphics. You click on it. Basically, they help you with the exact, with the size suitable. They will even give you some templates to select from. You can see them, right? So now I can just pick up this. You can see I just clicked. That is, I'm telling them I want them to help me. Let me customize this one using that same design. This is what I will do now.
Okay.
So you can see. Can you see the blog post? Can you see it? So all you do now is you come. I said in the group
Yes,
yesterday,
I can.
in the training yesterday, I mentioned it. I said copy the same title. Can you see the same title? And make it and just add it up as a graphics. Can you see? Can you see? So I now have the same thing. I now have the
Yeah.
same thing. Can you see? It helps the search engine optimization in helping your blog
Yeah.
appear. So can you see? This is what you should do. One is you write the title as you can see me doing. Then here you can also write your website. So you
Yeah.
can write because you are branding here. You said it's already I'm already teaching you how to brand your website. So you see,
Mm.
I'm now writing it. So can you see tarimere.com?
Mm.
Yes, don't you see how it looks now? It looks professional.
Yeah.
So that's how simple. Forget all those graphics you see. This is exactly what they do.
Mm. Yes. Mm.
I'm trying to centralize it. Then another thing you should watch out for is look at the backgrounds. Like this
Yeah.
background, I
Mm.
think I might have to change it. I
Okay.
don't. You don't want to use a background that will not be
Mm.
clear. You want something that someone can see. You know, you are dealing with people. Some will have eye issues. Some will have maybe. In fact, if your blog is for Nigerians, they said
Mm.
Nigerians are very lazy. You have to really make it clear so that they won't have any excuse. You understand? But for the purpose of this blog, we're not actually in the
Let's
Canva
see.
class. Yes, so I'm just going to rush it through. So, but
Mm.
you can see it, right? This is how you create it. So this is it. So now what you do is after you're done with your graphic,
Yeah.
come here and click on download. You select
Mm.
PNG. Can you see PNG here? And then you click on download.
Yeah.
Download. Can you see it has finished downloading? I simply
Yeah.
click on continue. I'm done with Canva. Now all I'll do is here you scroll down. So by the time, let's say, to create a blog, just trying to create something. Follow simple steps. One, WordPress dashboard. Two, okay, let me see. Navigate blog to change post. Navigate to posts. Posts. Add new. Let me see. Is that it? Yes, add new. So let me put it in. Add new. For enter the blog.
Are you doing this on a computer?
Yes, this is
On a
on.
laptop?
Yes, I said it's better. I prefer using enter the blog title, then create, then type in title.
No, I mean, are you the Zoom, the system you're using, is it a laptop?
Yes. Content.
Okay, I think that's why you have the pointer.
Okay, so six, add maybe design and add your graphic design a simple graphic using Canva.com and add the graphics to blog posts. Hit publish. Then 7, 8. Copy the link. Create short caption causing curiosity to motivate share on social media. Share on your social media.
What are you doing?
That's it. So once you're done, so at the end, by the way, I always end this thing. So after always end it is after you're done, that's it. So you always end it well. Now you know how to create a brand new blog post. So this is what we call now. Look at, let me give you the sequence. Let me give you the formula. You see, from here to here, this is what we call the hook. This is what we call the hook. Do you understand? This is what we call the hook. Then from here to here is what this other place. This is the content. This is the content of the website. From here up to this place, that's the content, because that is exactly what I told them to do, right? I told them, not look at it. I told them I will do this, and then I did it. Now this is time. Now I'm doing the third part, which is what we call the C. That is a call to action. So if you like this post, you will probably like my.
Okay, the first is the second is the content. Then this last one you're doing is the call to action, right?
Yes, and it's simply telling them, maybe if you have something to sell, this is the right time to do it. Because it's basically I've given them value. I've given them value, and probably now they know that I'm valuable, right? And then they want to know more. They want to know more. Or I'm actually just giving an opportunity for anybody who wants to know more. So, but this is just it. If you like this post, you will probably like my next. Do you understand? You'll probably like my next post on. Then this is what you always do. If you have maybe a previous post where you talk about something, maybe another post, you copy the link, and then let me show you how to add a link. You shared it up here. You shared it, you mark it here like this. Okay, so let me just say, if you like this post, you will probably like, or maybe, or let me say, if you like this post, you will love you will love, or maybe, okay, normally let me use like in your terms, right? This is a technology post, but in your case now, in your case, right? You're into products, you sell products. Okay, what you may do instead is you might say, if you like this product, or if maybe, or you can say, if you would like, maybe say in your post, you shared the story, you shared your story, right? So what you then do is you tell them, if you would like, if you are interested, if you would like to work with me, if you would like to work with me, work work with me, or maybe, or her, or would like to, or will like to read more about, or you like to read
Thank you.
about my journey. So click here to learn more. So look at what I'll do now to learn more. See what I'll do. I'm going to click here, or in fact, I can even click here. Can you see I've highlighted this whole post? Can you see this button? Can you see? You can see now, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. So
Which one?
this one,
Okay.
look at my screen. Insert edit link.
Yeah, I can see.
Once I click it, it's going to tell me paste URL. So I'm going to put the same link to your home page. This is your name, man. Okay. And then okay. So what happens is, can you see it's now red? It shows this is a link. This is a link. Then again, then after I'm done with it, I can still come back and say,
when you click, sorry, when you highlight,
yes.
sorry,
Go ahead.
when you highlight it, you go up and you click. When you highlight, you go up and you click on the link button.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so when you click on the link button, what do you do next?
It will open up. It will open up. It will open up a button for you. If you click, it will open up. It will say type paste URL. This means when they click, where should we take them to? That's simply what it means. So you then enter the website. So like I said, if you had previous blog posts, if you had previous blog posts, that is where to put them to. Then let me show you the last feature, which is to add the image.
Okay.
Yeah, can you see? Can you see this place? Featured images. Yeah, it will ask you, do you have any images?
Where?
Here,
hold on.
See it here by the right. Featured images.
Okay, yeah.
Click. Tell you, do you have any picture to add? You can use, this is the picture I used before, so it's already on the dashboard. But if you want to add a new one, all you do is you click on select new. Can you see? Now it says drop file to upload. I can click here to open up. So this is the recent picture I just created, the one it downloaded to my downloads. You can see it here. So I'll open it. Upload. It will upload. Okay, good. It has finished. So you see, I'll click here. Click on set featured image. Now that is it. Then one other thing. There is what we call categories. Now category is when for every post you post, right? They will give you a segment to select where people could actually reach it through easily. That's when they come to navigation. Now let's say by the time you start having so you create your tags here. Can you see? You create your tags here. So like for this one, this was a technology post, but let me just leave it for lifetime. But you can create as many tag categories as possible. So what happens is when it comes later, it will now add this post to under category fashion or under whatever you post. Then that's after it. Then we have what you call tags. Tags is this actually appears even in Google. It's just like category. So what are you tagging? If it's about health, you put health. The same thing. It's somehow like category. Only that category stays on your website, so you can add different tags. For example, technology. You can write WordPress. You understand? So depending on the content of your blog, you can add as many as possible. Just separate them with commas. Like this. So once you are done, you hit the publish. Can you see? You hit publish. That's it. So once it's published, it will give you the link to the website. This is the link here. Can you see? This is the blog link. So all you do is you click here, you click on copy link address. Now, I can now post this link to you anywhere. Can you see the blog post? So like I said, you can then create a short caption for it. So, but that is basically all. I hope I was able to cover all you wanted to learn. So thank you very much for joining. I'm going to stop the video now, and I wish you all the best.